Hey. So Amazon delivered this today. It's great. It's fantastic. It was such good shipping. Oh my god. Give Jeff Bezos all of the monies. Don't dox myself. Oh, shit, you right? Yes, whatever. This is the most professional unboxing video that you will ever watch. Live in the making. 100%. Guys, it's insane. It's insane. I'm so good at this. Hi. How are you? How are you doing? Pay no attention to the mess behind me. And by the mess, I mean my bed. Alright guys, are you ready for this? Are you ready to see this super dope thing that I bought from Amazon that's also wrapped in fucking white? What the fuck is this shit? Look at its beauty. Its intense, insane beauty. Smells like electronics. Oh my god, that's actually really nice. Look at this. It's got like this like foam in here. This like hard foam. It's like super nice. I am actually really surprised by that. That's... Huh. Stream Deck quick start guide? I'll look at that later. Oh my god, look at it. Can you see that well? Does it look good? Tell me. Look at it. Oh! I didn't realize that it was gonna be so small.
That's what she said.
More of that really hard, nice foam. That's cool. What is this? How does this work? Nigga. What the fuck? Yo, that's dope. Oh my god. Yo, that's super tight. That's super tight. Oh my god. So, fun fact. Oh, that's surprising. I did not expect these to be... These buttons are kind of mushy. Like... They're not... I did not expect them to be so mushy. They feel like I'm touching, like gel. Like a gummy. I don't know if you can see that, but like, they don't go down evenly. If you press them, like, to one side or another, like it's not like an even press. So it's a little weird to me because obviously I use this beast of a keyboard and it feels really nice and it has like no wobble. So, oh my god, I plugged it in. It's setting up the device. Oh my god, I regret everything. Guys, I have to go under my desk. I'll be RB. Easy clap. Guys, easy clap. Okay, so... Stream Deck, okay. It's super dope. I haven't used it at all yet, so... So, Let's actually take a look at this quick start guide. Let's see what's going on. Okay, it says here, download and install the Stream Deck app. I was apparently supposed to do that before plugging in the Stream Deck. Bitch, what? Yo, I hate it. I hate it. I love it and I hate it. Show it on the deck. Okay. 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 Alright. Hold on. Guys. It's Brit. Oh my god. Alright, so that is it.